So today using the pumpkin winter, it's called, some people call it as a winter melon plus this beetroot for cough mixture for one of the friend who need for cough one, special make for her. We start do the juicing, so remember to prepare a fresh green apple ready. Winter melon that just now I got it very fresh. Ini beetroot. Ini baik untuk kidney, good for kidney. After that you cut into pieces. From these pieces you put into this channel. Okay, put into this channel and come out. It's a winter melon planted in my garden. This special make one is to clean the pumpkin first. Okay, make sure we clean nicely. Then we prepared this turmeric, fresh one, ready. This juice specially made for cough treatment. Whoever got cough many days, so I have to add all this green apple everything. So today special make for a friend. I use this commercial unit, household unit, any brand of juicer. Blend now, so we put in the bottle. Then you get this complete beetroot drink. Good for you, good for blood, good for cancer, good for diabetes, good for kidney problem. Thank you all my friends to give me full support on this juice therapy for cough. Thank you.